Hi there, I'm Daniel. I'm part of Maui Music Mission, and I just wanted to say hello, welcome, and thanks for tuning in and watching this. I'm here right now, just wanted to show you a little bit about piano actually today. I'm a teacher here and I do teach other variety of instruments, but today we're talking about the piano. And why the piano is such an important thing in the music theory? Well, there's different sides of the piano that you can play in different parts of the genres and styles of music. It's pretty much the middle man of music, and I like to call that because there's a bass clef, which is, or there's the treble. And then the middle is just falls in between, and it can be used in a variety of songs, and it's a very fun instrument, okay? But we're gonna talk to you on the music theory of how the piano works, okay? And in general, how music works. Okay, so today we're talking about the white keys, mainly. The black keys are gonna be a little later on. That's something you'll learn in my lessons. But the white keys, okay, there's actually 7 letters in the alphabet of music. And there's C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. And on the piano, it starts on a C, right here. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And if you look at it, there's a pattern that goes on the piano. If you look at a piano, there's a pattern. There's all kinds of different octaves, and we'll talk about that a little later on in my lessons as well. But music can be fun, it's an enjoyable thing, and if you're interested in learning, we are here, okay? I look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching this video, and I will see you here. And aloha, have a good day.